In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the reporter in Jira. Whether you're new to Jira or simply need a refresher, this tutorial will guide you through each step to ensure you're able to change the reporter on any issue efficiently. So let's get started. First, you'll want to locate the specific Jira issue that you need to modify. This might seem straightforward, but with a large project, finding the right issue can be a tad tricky. Take advantage of Jira's robust search functionality by using keywords or specific filters to narrow down your search. Once you've found the issue, click on it to open up its details view. This will give you a deeper look at all the information associated with that particular issue. Now, once you're in the details view, keep an eye out for the reporter field. Typically, you'll find this field situated in the right-hand navigation pane or embedded within the issue details. It's an important field because it identifies who originally created the issue, giving you insight into who to contact for more details or updates. Spotting this field might require a little scrolling or maneuvering depending on how your Jira interface is set up, but it's usually quite prominent. Next, you'll need to click on the current reporter's name within the reporter field. Doing so will bring up a drop-down menu. This is where you'll select a new reporter. The drop-down menu is typically populated with a list of users who are a part of your Jira project. If you're familiar with the team setup, you should know exactly who should be taking over the reporting duties. If not, it's a good idea to double check with your team before proceeding. When the drop-down menu appears, simply choose the desired user from the list. This user will then become the new reporter for the issue. It's important to ensure that the person you're changing it to has the proper context and knowledge to handle the issue because they'll be noted as the primary contact from here on out. If the list seems overwhelming, typing the first few letters of a user's name can quickly filter your options and help you make the selection more efficiently. Lastly, remember that changing the reporter in Jira is not just a functional step, but also a crucial communication tool. The reporter often acts as a point of contact for issue updates, questions, and clarifications, making it essential to maintain accuracy and relevance here. By following these steps meticulously, you can ensure that the reporter on any Jira issue reflects the current needs and structure of your team. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made the process a lot clearer for you. Until next time.